Welcome to Startup Space. Startup Space is an interactive platform to connect entrepreneurs and small businesses to resources and individuals. We help grow a community of support and inclusion. Our platform is fully available in a variety of languages and is ADA inclusive. We not only offer tools to connect via social posting or by searching through our member directory to find other people within your community, we also help to find resources in your area, events in your community, and a library of content for knowledge to help you in your journey. But we also provide mentorship, business advising, and much more. To get started, register for free at startupspace.app/register. To fully utilize the platform, begin by creating your profile and then continuing on our member journey to utilize the platform to its full extent. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at helpdesk@startupspace.app.